Alright, should we go see the fish, boys? Alright, Tai, Asher, follow Daddy. Come this way. Yeah, those were the fish. Asher, over this way. Come over this way, boysies. Follow Daddy. Okay, I'm taking this video just to show you Asher. Tai is actually intrigued by this stuff, but Asher, on the other hand, is walking backwards. Yes, he is. Boom! Can you go see the fish? Look at all those fish. Whoa! Meanwhile, he's still walking backwards. You see those neat fish in there? See, Tai-Tai's interested. And here's Asher. Tooling around. He's gonna bonk right into... Where you going, buddy? Do you see those fish? Whoa, look at that big one. Oh, now they're both off the line. All right, boysies. Boom. Oh, you're okay, you're okay. All right, should we go see some more animals? All right, let's go. All right, boys, follow Daddy.